Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking what holds the cap button, metal clasp, plastic rivet, or a stitched cover, because the method changes. Put the cap on a towel and steady the underside where the button sits. Use the seam ripper or a small flat screwdriver to tease the edge of the buttons backing slightly. You want to separate without tearing the fabric. Once you see the lip of the fastener, make sure to keep pressure even so the cap doesn't pucker as you prepare to open the clasp. Next, focus on freeing the two halves of the button. If it's metal, use pliers to bend the female side back and pry the male post out. Work a little at a time to avoid ripping. For plastic rivets, slide the thin screwdriver between rivet head and fabric and pop it out while supporting the other side. If the button is sewn through a fabric cover, use the seam ripper to remove a few stitches and gently pull the cover off, saving all parts if you plan to reattach later. Finally, clean the area and inspect the hole. Trim stray threads and press a small patch or interfacing behind thin fabric to restore strength. If you plan to reinstall a button, align parts and apply the new fastener or resew the original using the saved pieces. Make sure the fabric lies flat before crimping. If the hole has torn, use a tiny reinforcing patch or take it to a local tailor. If something won't budge, stop and switch tools rather than force. Forcing causes permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.